I don't know about horsepower, but this engine is 250cc. 250.
256.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Small, yeah.
I mean, this one you can ride from here to Ghana, right?
No.
Yeah.
You can, but you have to rest.
No, not rest.
This is
it's
touring.
enough the petrol. The petrol is the problem. If not the fuel,
No, we will add extra time.
extra time.
Yeah.
You need like 2 more extra time.
But in the passage there will be some petrol pumps, but I have to arrange the tank.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. This motor, if you know go speed, it will make overheating, right?
Yeah. Avoid the heating.
Yeah.
The fan is there.
Yes, you need to speed. No
And
speed is
Suzuki
make overheating.
And this is 250, and I say every Suzuki
horsepower and it's unlimited horsepower.
yes, Suzuki bike there, massa.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Okay, bro. Thank you.
where are you from? This one.
Camera 360.
Camera, you know, it's here. Hello. Yo.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Oh damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.